We've got the VEVOR commercial grade vacuum sealer, and if you've ever found yourself wanting to meal plan and prep for the week or do a huge barbecue and you want to distribute that to friends or food pantries like I do, then this video is for you. We're going to do a quick little walk around of this awesome vacuum sealer, how it works, what you can do with it, and let me know in the comment section if you have questions along the way. So let's get into it. Let's get into some of the nuts and bolts of this vacuum sealer. So this is commercial grade. This is, and I'll have the measurements and all the stuff in the description and also on the screen, but this is about 48 pounds. When I got this from my box and I unboxed this thing is actually, I'm gonna say it's sturdy, it's heavy duty. It does have handles on the side so you're able to lift it, but as you can see, man, it's heavy duty. So it's commercial grade. It should last a long time, so I'm really pleased with that. But because you're doing a commercial grade, you're gonna get that higher quality. You can see the display screen up front here. We'll talk through those features here in a moment. The power is in the back, and we just need to plug that bad boy in. And a few first steps of things that you'll need to do per the instructions is that you'll unscrew the back here, and it comes with some oil, and then and kind of essentially lubing this thing to get it ready to go. And you'll has a nice QR code here, and it shows you like 7 videos of how to troubleshoot, how to get this thing started. So that's a nice key thing that I really appreciated. When you're new to a product, you're like, man, okay, what do I do? So that's the first step, is to lift this thing up this way. There's a screw back here, put the oil in, and then you are set to go. So let's get to the front here. You can do dry and also liquid vacuum sealing. You can be doing veggies, you could be doing beef and meat, all sorts of things. I like to also cook, I cooked 2 pork butts a few days ago, serving some friends, and then we've got some leftovers here that we're gonna be vacuum sealing and sending off to a food pantry that we're a part of at my church. And so I've already got one. This is the clear lid, so you can kind of see it. It's super nice. It's got a little contraption here that you lift up. I've got this, essentially it's like an 8x10 vacuum sealer bag. I think it could go a little bit bigger depending on what you need. And you can buy these. This comes with about 60 vacuum bags with this vacuum sealer. And then we put this down, and then you've got different temperatures here. Once we power this bad boy on here, this is the start button. Actually, make sure I have it powered on here in the back. That's the first step. And then what you're gonna notice here on the screen is that you can set the time of how long you want it to vacuum seal. And then there's a cool down feature, how many seconds you want it to cool down, and things, and how hot you might want it to get it. So you got vacuum, you got sealing, and then you got cooling as it's going through its process. I've already got some pork butt in here. We're doing this for the first time live together. And so we're just gonna go ahead and check the settings as it 25 seconds. Let's go to 20, just playing around here. We're gonna go to the next setting button. That takes you down to the sealing, how many seconds? That says 1.4, I think. Then we're gonna go settings again, I'm fine with that. Cooling, it says 30 seconds, and that's probably fine, but it said 3.0, so I'm gonna go 2.5. And now we're gonna go to settings, and then we are going to click start. And I'm looking at it here as it's going through its settings. Let's see if I did this correctly. I'll bring you in so you can see the action. All right, friends, so you got to see that in action. I cut off the video right when it was doing phase 2 and phase 3, and it makes a nice compression noise. So I would say it's kind of a medium noise sound. I mean, it's not too loud, but man, this thing vacuum sealed like a rock star. And I would say, like, literally, I'm opening this up right here. You can't open that up. That seal is fantastic. I'm gonna get a close-up. Hopefully you can see what it looks like here. That's my pork butt that I smoked for some friends, and then also dropping this off the food pantry. So this thing performed awesome. So I would say that the seconds that I chose, the 25 and the 1.4, the 2.3, was completely enough. And I imagine I'll continue to mess around with that to see if I feel like I can do it quicker or not. So I'm gonna do another one of these. I'm gonna add my sauce in here. I wanna see how it does with liquid. So let me do some B-roll of me making this, and then we're gonna also vacuum seal with some liquid in there and see how it performs. And then we'll talk about pricing, and then we'll be done. All right, team, it's time to put some sauce in this bag here. This is my Heartland Hickory Cherry Sauce, and I'm just getting a lot of sauce in there just as an example, just so I can see how it's gonna do, kind of see with liquid. So this is great for marinating different things, seasoning a steak with some rosemary and some butter, and you're gonna do some sous vide, or you wanna marinate in some pickle juice with some wings. I mean, wherever your heart takes you, then I think it's gonna be fantastic. So anyways, we got some sauce in here. We're gonna lay this down, and you can adjust how tall you want this to be, like where you want the seal to be. So I'm gonna still do a medium size here. We're gonna shut this top here, the clear container here. We like everything, it's where it's set. I'm gonna let you hear the full process here. Boom. That was the fun part. That third phase is super exciting. And it says we're done. Open this up. Show you a good vacuum seal. You can see all that liquid in there. Super happy how that performed. I have no complaints, being my first time using this. So this is me just giving you a quick overview more than an official review, but this is more of just a walkthrough of how this works. So again, 12 by 15 by 11 high. I'll have all the dimensions. So it does liquid, dry food, anything that you can think of that would be helpful to prepare for the week. Putting meats in here, grilling chicken, and setting this aside for each day. This thing is gonna perform extremely well for you. This retails for, I think, around $2.50. I'll have a discount code for you in the description to help make this easy on you. So for a commercial grade vacuum sealer, there's a lot out there. This is a competitive price, but in full transparency, there's no doubt you can find cheaper ones or handheld ones. But I believe VEVOR has different sizes as well as small ones. So if you want to test out, if you would actually use a vacuum sealer, you might check out their website and see the smaller ones. But this is commercial grade, but there's all price ranges. But this is what you're getting, a commercial grade with some good handles and all these different settings. Performs flawlessly, at least in my initial test. Let us know what questions you have about this. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.